Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Kansept Gremlin here with me for a quick unboxing and review. This is an interesting packaging. It's pretty tight. It's the first time I'm seeing something like that. This is a nice Apple style, I would say, envelope kind of thing with some empty pages on the side and just the warranty information on the other side. And inside, of course, you've got some silica gel right over there, and you've got this pretty nice nylon pouch where inside you just have this little guy right over here. This is the Kansept Gremlin, guys. Very interesting little fella. It's a $150 knife made in China. It has it's a like titanium frame lock in this case with marble carbon fiber inlays going on. Look at that. Very, very interesting fit and finish going on over here. You've got an overall length of almost 7 inches, I would say 6.8 inches, with a 3.2 inch long blade and a 3.6 inch long handle. So overall nice blade to handle ratio. Really, really interesting. This is a titanium frame lock with stainless steel insert, a nice drop point blade in S35VN, guys, with a pretty cool satin finish. It's directional this way. It's nicely done, I have to say. Flat grind, of course. The sound this guy makes, it's like that. It's the typical sound of a smaller knife, because this is a small knife, but it's interesting. It's not obnoxious in any ways. There's a little bit of issue here with this flipper tab. We're gonna check out more in the more in-depth review. But the weight is pretty good, guys. This is gonna be 2.5 ounces. The clip also is pretty cool. It's a 3D milled titanium pocket clip, nice springy action, overall the grip is very nice. It's a smaller knife, of course. I don't feel any bad hotspots. There's no jimping going on. Action is pretty smooth. It's not the fastest. A little bit of weak detent, I would say, and it's running on bearings. So overall, it has a very smooth action, and it's indeed pretty cool. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out the full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.